This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News, read by Arundhati Paul. As the number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and to get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, get vaccinated. As the new Omicron variant of coronavirus is causing concern, please continue to follow the 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 011-239-780-1075. The Meghalaya helpline number for COVID-19 is 108 and 14410. And now the news in detail. A team of the Election Commission of India, led by the Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra, arrived in Imphal for a 2-day visit to review the poll preparedness in Manipur. He was accompanied by Election Commissioners Rajiv Kumar, Anup Chandra Pandey, besides other senior ECI officials. The Chief Election Commissioner convened a meeting with the district election officers, the Superintendent of Police, state election officers and other state officials and reviewed the preparedness of polls in the state. Meanwhile, election campaign has gained momentum in Manipur with leaders of various political parties campaigning at various places of the state. Manipur Chief Minister also participated in different rallies for BJP candidates. In Manipur, many candidates have filed their nomination papers for both first and second phases polling to the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly. The total number of candidates who have filed their nominations for first phase has crossed 120 yesterday. Today is the last date for submission of nomination papers for the first phase, and the last date for submission of nominations for the second phase is the 11th of this month. Around 10 candidates have filed their nominations for the second phase. In the first phase, voting will be held in 38 assembly constituencies on the 27th of this month, and in the second phase, voting will be held in 22 assembly constituencies on March 3rd. Counting of votes will be held on March 10th. Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda introduced the Constitution of Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2022 in the Lok Sabha yesterday. The amendment bill seeks to add certain communities to the list of scheduled tribes in relation to the state of Tripura. In Meghalaya, members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council met Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday and sought a clarification on the recent approval of the State Cabinet to have village councils as has been proposed in the amendment to the 6th schedule. Chief Executive Member Titor Starwell Khain, along with members of the council, told reporters that the clarification given by the Chief Ministers has satisfied the members, as the word village council is also included in the 6th schedule along with the word Darbar Shnong. The Chief Minister also assured that a meeting will be held with the Home Ministry in Delhi to discuss the issue and avoid any confusion. Nagaland has launched the intensified mission Indradhanush Voice to Zero across the districts from yesterday. State Immunization Officer of Health and Family Welfare Department of Nagaland, Dr. Rita Thur, said the IMI Voice to Zero in the state will be covered in 3 rounds, that is 7th February, 7th March and 4th of April. Round 1 of the intensified mission Indradhanush, which started yesterday, will have a total of 200 session sites in 11 districts covering 989 children in the age group of 0 to 2 years and 221 pregnant women. The special immunization program will ensure that children below 2 years and pregnant women who have missed their routine immunization due to COVID-19 pandemic are immunized. In Meghalaya, 4-time member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council from Moflang constituency, Lamprang Bla was elected uncontested as the new chairman of the council during the special session yesterday. This is the first time that the MDC has been elected to the top post of the council, though he has been elected continuously since 2004. Bla had earlier held the post of executive member and leader of opposition in the council. And with that, we end the Northeast News from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.